Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen hot pockets in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of frozen hot pockets. No need to defrost, we're cooking it straight from frozen. So I'm going to open it. So we don't need the case from the hot pocket. We're going to remove all the packaging. So you don't need the sleeve. Just put the hot pocket in the air fryer basket. And no need to defrost. This is frozen salad. Put it in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I will set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the hot pockets over so they cook evenly on both sides. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the hot pockets. Perfectly brown. They look amazing. Now let me take them out of the air fryer. And I'll turn them upside down. So now they're the right side up on my plate. They look so good, brown and crispy crust, and inside they're perfectly cooked. Now let's try it. I'm going to cut one just so you can see that they're perfectly cooked on the inside. Cheesy, gooey, delicious. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It tastes amazing. So crispy and delicious. You will love cooking hot pockets in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!